So my question to you is, which one is on
two
Lohe
different
Mahfuz?
Quran.
Yes.
You asked me the question
Yeah,
about
who said that there is a mistake in Quran?
Now he's around 40 years old. When he was 18, he doesn't say anything. Now he's saying something. So the people mind changed.
It's a numeric mistake in Quran. Because Allah has only one Quran on Lohe Mahfuz, and now there are circulating so many different Qurans, and that is why Mufti Tariq Masood said there is a mistake in Quran, and nobody is able to correct that mistake. That is why we have different Qurans. So
सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जब कुरान लिखवाया ना, तो चूंकि आप लिखना पढ़ना नहीं जानते थे, तो बाज दफा कातिब से ग्रामर की गलती हुई लिखने में, हमारे नबी ने उसकी करेक्शन नहीं की। आपको नहीं पता चला कि ग्रामर के लिहाज से ये गलत लिखा हुआ है, वो अब तक उसी तरह लिखा हुआ है।
Quran chapter 2 verse 184. Agar if you have break your fast, you have to feed one poor person, one poor man,
Yeah.
one miskin.
Yeah.
Do you know about that?
Yeah, something.
So what about if there is another Quran which says not maskin but masakin, plural, more than one person. You have to feed more than one person. So my question to you is, which one
You
is
mean
on
two
Lohe
different
Mahfuz?
Quran.
Yes. Which one is on Lohe Mahfuz? Which one is on Lohe Mahfuz with Allah? What do you think? I can show you if you want. You can read Arabic or you can read Urdu too.
No.
If you open your Quran, if you open your,
I had to go. I gave a lot of time.
this is Varsh Quran
Sorry,
published by Saudi Arabia, and in it is written more than, you have to feed more than one poor. But in Hafs Quran, which you have at your home, it is written to feed only one poor person. So what do you think? Which one is on Lohe? Which one is correct? 1% is correct?
Yeah.
And the Quran which I have in my hand, which says more than one person, that is fake Quran. This is Varsh Quran, published by Saudi Arabia. So
It's not fake.
what is this?
By some scholar. One scholar's opinion. Like you stop me. So many people going.
Yes.
My choice, I stop and talk to you. And some don't want to talk to you. He's right and he's wrong.
But if this
No, you are wrong. That you are stopping all people. Are you wrong?
if this Quran is also published by, and your Quran is also published by that, I got you.
You are stopping.
Your point is maybe some people have written
some
this.
people don't stop.
I got your point.
So-
Your
so-
point is maybe
so
some people
no-
have
no
written it.
right and wrong.
So both are correct. Both Quran are correct. I can right here show you. In this is masakin. You know you are from India. Masakin means more than one poor person. This is Arabic
No,
Quran,
first of all.
not a translation.
Not the first of all. Quran has said different things. One God. And Ramayana and Mahabharata say different things. Who is right and who is wrong?
So
I born in India, I live all surrounding Hindu. No enough right. This Pakistan is a stupid country. But I am Muslim, I am proud to be an
This is-
Indian Muslim.
But this is Arabic Quran. This is Arabic Quran published by Saudi Arabia. And almost there are now at this time, there are 37 Qurans different around the world. This one is saying feed more than one miskin.
I say to you.
So
Now
your Quran is
different printers coming now. different persons coming now, like this Mufti. You asked me the question
Yeah,
about.
who said that there is a mistake in Quran?
Now he's around 40 years old. When he was 18, he doesn't say anything. Now he's saying something. So the people mind change and they change the thing.
So what do you think? Which Quran is on Lohe Mahfuz? This one, Warsh Quran, or the Hafs Quran which you have at home? You know, your Quran, which is you are reading, that is
It's not
Hafs
my
Quran.
It's not my Quran. It's everybody's Quran.
That is Hafs
The
Quran.
simple.
That is
thing-
also written by
But that's
Imam
what-
Hafs.
That's what I'm asking you. The
This is by
question.
Imam Warsh.
The Gita, Mahabharat Gita, is in a Lohe Mahfuz.
Do you believe that?
You answer me. Do you believe that?
Not on Allah's Lohe Mahfuz. So do you think that this one is not
And
on
the
Lohe
Bible,
Mahfuz?
what about the Bible? The
What-
Quran and the Bible has a different things.
So
This is all as per the Quran says. The Bible, the Isa alayhi
so
salam
far I want to
is a
know
Paigambar.
if
Do
you
you
can see
believe
this
or
is
not?
Arabic Quran.
I don't know. Thank you very much. Sir.
But
That's too much.
are you cursing?
That's too much. I'm
No,
not
no, no.
cursing. You answer my question.
I'm
It's
just-
not cursing.
Brother.
What you are doing now, नफरत फैला रहे हैं.
Sir, I
आप
have,
लोग ना फसाद
I have a
करवाने की बात
Quran in
कर
my
रहे
hand.
हैं. आप लोग फसाद की बात
I just want to know your honest opinion. This Quran is on Lohe Mahfuz or the other Quran which has only one word? That is on Lohe Mahfuz.
whatever I believe, I am not bound to tell you anything. Whatever you believe, you believe. There is one God.
So it means-
इंसानियत है, वो सबसे बड़ा मजहब
So
है.
should I feed one poor if I break fast or more than one poor? According to your Quran, one. According to my Quran, more than one.
Listen.
It's a numeric mistake.
If you feed 100 people,
Sir, it's
you will get a benefit of 100.
It's a numeric mistake in Quran. Because Allah has only one Quran on Lohe Mahfuz, and now there are circulating so many different Qurans, and that is why Mufti Tariq Masood said there is a mistake in Quran, and nobody is able to correct that mistake. That is why we have different Qurans. So
It's not mistake in the Quran. It's a printing mistake, or the people are, sending some different message. The current situation, this Quran, maybe printed 10 years ago. What about before 10 years?
no, it's not 10 years ago.
Then?
It
10
is,
years?
it is published at the same time from Saudi Arabia. This is called Warsh Quran, Imam Warsh, and what you have, that is Hafs Quran by Imam Hafs.
I don't know.
You need to check that side. We are living in now in that age where we can find the truth, where we can see the truth, where we can search the truth.
Fine for you. No problem.
Okay, take care. Thank you so much for your time. Drive safe.
You too.
Thank you.
جی ابھی آپ نے ملاحظہ کیا ہے کہ مفتی طارق مسعود سچا ہے، اور وہ لوگ جو مفتی طارق مسعود کا جنازہ نکالنا چاہتے ہیں، میں انہیں بتانا چاہتا ہوں کہ یہ جنازہ اسلام کا نکلے گا اور آپ دیکھیں گے۔ مفتی طارق مسعود، تم نے زندگی میں ایک سچ بولا ہے، میں چاہوں گا کہ تم اس سچ پر قائم رہو۔ پاکستان واپس نہ جاؤ، کسی کرسچن کنٹری میں شیلٹر اپلائی کرو، اپنے آپ کو اور اپنی فیملی کو بچاؤ، اور وہ مسلمان جو احمقوں کی جنت میں رہ رہے ہیں انہیں میں دعوت دینا چاہتا ہوں کہ وہ احمقوں کی جنت سے باہر آئیں۔ قرآن میں غلطیاں ہیں، اس چیز کو قبول کریں، اس سے انکار نہ کریں، یہ آپ کے نقصان میں ہے، اس سے آپ کا جھوٹ، آپ کی منافقت جھلکتی ہے، اور مفتی طارق مسعود کو نقصان پہنچانے کی بجائے، اس کا جنازہ نکالنے کی بجائے، اسلام کا جنازہ اپنی زندگیوں سے نکالیں اور اسلام کو چھوڑیں۔ اگر آپ मुफ्ती तारिक मसूद को नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं तो याद रखना जनाजा इस्लाम का ही निकलना है। और अगर मुफ्ती तारिक मसूद पाकिस्तान वापस नहीं आता, आज मेरी बात लिख लें, फिर भी ये जनाजा इस्लाम का ही है, क्योंकि सच सच होता है और सच को आंच नहीं। कुरान में गलतियां हैं, वो बाहर आया है, उससे सवाल किया गया है कुरान की सेहत और सदाकत पे, ग्रामर की गलतियों पे बात करे, वो मजबूर हो के उसे करनी पड़ी है, मजबूर हो के उसे सच बोलना पड़ा है। मैं ये कहूँगा कि अगर ज़िंदगी में एक सच बोला है मुफ्ती तारिक मसूद तो उस पर कायम हो जाओ। तुम्हें पता है ये तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ेंगे, तुम्हारा जनाजा बनाएंगे पाकिस्तान में। कम से कम इस दुनिया से जाना है तो सच्चाई पे कायम होके जाओ। तुम इस्लाम से खारिज हो चुके हुए हो, इस्लाम को दफा दूर करो। और मैं तुम्हें दावत देता हूं उस कलाम जो मुजस्सिम होकर इस दुनिया में आया, खुदावंद यीशु मसीह, उसको कबूल करो। ना सिर्फ अपने आप को, अपनी फैमिली को बचाओ, बल्कि अपनी आखिरत को भी बचाओ, अपनी हमेशा की ज़िंदगी को बचाओ। तो वो लोग जो ये सोच रहे हैं कि मुफ्ती तारिक मसूद का जनाजा निकालेंगे, मैं आज आपको बता रहा हूँ ये जनाजा इस्लाम का निकलेगा और आप देखेंगे कि ये कितना बड़ा जनाजा इस्लाम का निकलता है। ये खादिम हुसैन रिजवी का बेटा साद हुसैन रिजवी, ओ झूठो, मक्कारो, कंजरो, झूठ बोलना बंद कर दो और सच्चाई की तरफ आओ और लोगों को बताओ कि कुरान में गलती है। ज़बरदस्ती तुम लोगों को तलवार के ज़ोर पर तुम लोगों के सामने मौजूद है उनका मुंह बंद कर सकते हो, लेकिन उनके दिलों का क्या करोगे? वो अपने दिलों से तो इस्लाम को दफा दूर कर चुके हुए हैं, इस्लाम का जनाजा निकाल चुके हुए हैं। तो ये दर हकीकत वीडियो मुफ्ती तारिक मसूद का जनाजा नहीं बल्कि इस्लाम का जनाजा है।